Did you know that making coffee might become more difficult in the coming years? No, not this making. But why, you ask? Because climate change has now interfered with your Kickstarter for the day. Tending to coffee plants in this new climate reality has become more labor intensive, and climate change might even lead to extinction of several varieties of coffee, the most commonly consumed Arabica being one such variety. The effects of climate change, leading to an increase in plant diseases along with shifts in harvesting, are giving coffee farmers of Mexico a hard time. In the highlands of Sierra Mije in Oaxaca, coffee rust, a fungal disease scientifically known as Hemilia vastatrix, is leading to huge losses for coffee farmers. The rust that began to be spotted in the 2010s led to an 80% drop in production in the Santiago Etitlem town in 2015. Coffee rust appears as orange dust-like spots on the underside of coffee leaves. The fungus thrives in warm, humid conditions that were until recently very rare in high altitudes of the Sierra Mije region. Farmers now have to inspect their plots regularly for early signs of disease and clear weeds several times a year. Even the timing of the harvest, which typically occurs between November and February, has begun to shift unpredictably. To overcome these climate-related risks, farmers are combining scientific knowledge with their indigenous practices. To help farmers, a regional cooperative, Coordinadora Estatal de Producción de Café de Oaxaca, is providing them with technical assistance, distributing disease-resistant coffee seedlings, and shifting focus to soil health to ensure a good yield instead of just treating infected plants. Most coffee farmers in Oaxaca use traditional agroforestry systems to grow coffee under canopy of diverse trees to protect the shrubs from extreme heat. Interplanting with inch plant that spreads as creeper and prevents soil erosion is also very common. Some farmers also use fallen tree trunks and branches to keep the soil from being washed away during heavy rains. The farmers are also experimenting with multiple Arabica coffee varieties to identify those that show stronger resistance to rust and other diseases to ensure we keep getting our favorite beverage to start the day.